Alright, we're continuing with some of the questions from the Unit 7 review. It's number 25. Find the domain, 7x over 10x squared. Remember, domain is where the denominator cannot equal 0. You can kind of reason your way through this one or not, but if you're having problems here. So the x cannot equal 0, so the domain is all reals except x cannot equal 0. 26 is x plus 6 over 5. That's all reals because there's no variables in the denominator, so there's no limits on the domain. And 27 is x minus 3 all over x. And then I'm going to factor the bottom right here and that right there. So the domain is in reference to the original question, so there's nothing to reduce here, but if you could, you have to stay with what you start with. So basically that can't equal 0 and that cannot equal 0, so the domain is all real numbers except x cannot equal -1 or -5. 28, x squared minus 25 all over x plus 5 equals x minus 5. And in this case, this is true, it does equal that, but it's only for some values of x because this has a limit of domain, and the domain cannot equal 0. So you would say for some values of x, that would be b because there is a limit on the domain. Okay.